Good morning and welcome to T-Hub Capital, the Investors Lounge, the podcast where we explore financial market dynamics, emerging trends, and the insights that shape successful investments. Each week, we'll delve into the strategies and analyses that drive our investment decisions. You'll get an insider's perspective on the factors influencing markets and the potential winners and losers of tomorrow. Subscribe to the podcast to stay ahead of the curve and make informed investment choices. Enjoy listening.
Welcome to T-Hub Capital's The Investors Lounge weekly newsletter. Today's date is May 20th. Let's dive into the week's stock market news. European stocks retreat from record highs amid cautious ECB remarks. European stocks edged lower, retracing from record highs set earlier in the week, as cautious comments from European Central Bank (ECB) members tempered expectations of significant monetary policy easing this year. While the Pan-European Stocks Europe 600 index saw a modest 0.42% gain, major indexes like Germany's DAX and France's CAC 40 experienced declines. Conversely, Italy's FTSE MIB bucked the trend with a notable 2.14% advance. UK wage growth remains robust, yet June rate cuts still possible, despite the UK's annual rate of pay growth holding steady at 6% in the 3 months leading to March, slightly exceeding forecasts. The labour market showed signs of loosening. The unemployment rate ticked up to 4.3%, and job openings continued their downward trend. We suggested that these developments tentatively support a rate cut in June, as the labour market appears to be easing. However, he emphasized the need for policymakers to assess further data before making a definitive decision. ECB policymakers urge caution on interest rate path. Several ECB policymakers, including Francois Villeroy de Galhau, Madis Muller, and Martins Kazaks, indicated that a rate cut is likely in June. However, they highlighted uncertainty surrounding the subsequent policy path. Executive Board member Isabel Schnabel expressed reservations about another cut in July, citing a slowdown in the disinflation process. Meanwhile, Belgian Central Bank Governor Pierre Wunsch emphasized the potential influence of the Federal Reserve's actions on further ECB rate cuts. Eurozone industrial production shows continued growth. Eurozone industrial production demonstrated resilience in March, rising 0.6% sequentially for the second consecutive month. While the stronger-than-expected reading was largely attributed to a surge in Ireland's output, known for its volatility, it nonetheless signals continued growth in the region's industrial sector. Now our insight into alternative markets, disruptive technology, reshaping the private equity landscape. The private equity industry, traditionally known for its conservative approach, is experiencing a wave of transformation fueled by disruptive technologies. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, and data analytics are no longer just buzzwords. They are becoming integral tools in the private equity toolkit, revolutionizing how firms source deals, conduct due diligence, manage portfolios, and exit investments. AI-powered deal sourcing and due diligence. Gone are the days when private equity firms relied solely on personal networks and traditional research methods to identify potential investments. AI-powered platforms are now being used to analyze vast amounts of data, including market trends, company financials, and industry reports, to pinpoint promising opportunities with unprecedented speed and accuracy. AI is also transforming due diligence. Natural language processing, NLP, algorithms can sift through mountains of legal documents and contracts, identifying risks and red flags that might have taken human analysts weeks to uncover. This not only accelerates the due diligence process, but also improves its accuracy, reducing the chances of costly surprises after a deal closes. Data-driven portfolio management. Once an investment is made, private equity firms are leveraging data analytics and machine learning to gain deeper insights into their portfolio company's performance. These tools can track key performance indicators, KPIs, in real time, allowing firms to identify potential issues early on and take corrective action. Furthermore, AI can be used to optimize portfolio management strategies, such as identifying the optimal time to exit an investment or suggesting ways to improve a company's operational efficiency. This data-driven approach can significantly enhance a PE firm's ability to create value and generate returns. Blockchain for transparency and security. Blockchain technology is also making inroads into the private equity industry. Its decentralized and immutable nature can enhance transparency and security in fund administration, deal execution, and investor reporting. Smart contracts, for example, can automate various aspects of deal closing and fund distribution, reducing the need for intermediaries and streamlining the process. Challenges and opportunities. While the adoption of disruptive technologies presents significant opportunities for private equity firms, it also brings challenges. Implementing and integrating new technologies requires significant investments in time and resources. There are also concerns about data privacy and security, as well as the potential for bias in AI algorithms. However, the firms that embrace these technologies are likely to gain a competitive edge in the rapidly evolving private equity landscape. By leveraging AI, data analytics, and blockchain, they can make more informed decisions, streamline operations, and ultimately deliver better returns for their investors. In conclusion, the integration of disruptive technologies is reshaping the private equity industry. As AI, machine learning, and blockchain continue to advance, their impact on private equity will only grow. The firms that are willing to embrace these technologies and adapt to the changing landscape will be best positioned to thrive in the years to come.
Thank you for listening to this episode of Hub Capital, the Investors Lounge podcast. I hope you found this content interesting and inspiring. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss a single episode, and share it with your friends and colleagues who might be interested. To learn more about T-Hub Capital and our activities, visit our website, thubcapital.com. You can also follow us on our LinkedIn page. See you soon. All the best from the T-Hub Capital team.